Hello makers, it's Jo from Minerva. Today we're going to do a quick sewing tutorial on how to make a French seam. French seams are great for sheer fabrics, lace fabrics, fabrics that fray a lot, because you want to make sure that the raw edge is completely enclosed. And if it's a sheer fabric, you don't want to see an overlock, a line, or your two seam salvages open flat, especially around a sleeve head. So I'm going to show you how to do a French seam. The reason I'm doing French seams today is because I'm working with a satin charmeuse and it's very, very light. I want to have all the seams enclosed. I'm making the Grain Line Studio Scout Tee. So the first part that I want to show you how to French seam is across the shoulders. So you're going to put the shoulder seams wrong sides together, which is against what you would normally do. So you're going to sew the shoulder wrong sides together. The seam allowance is 15mm, so I'm going to take a 7mm seam allowance and then trim, and then I'm going to turn it again and do another 7mm. Now I know 7 and 7 is 14, not 15, but it just gives that little error of margin so you don't end up with something too tight. So the first thing to do is to sew your 7mm seam along the fabric wrong sides together. So you take the first pass through the sewing machine, and then you need some nice sharp scissors. Little ones are best. If you're trying to cut a seam allowance with big scissors, you sometimes make a little nick in your fabric, and you're going to take off half of that seam allowance. Some people just take off one side, but I like to take them both off so that I can be totally sure that I've enclosed the seam. So I've trimmed it down, and now I'm going to flip the fabric right sides together and fold it along the seam line and sew again. So the seam allowance is in between there. You can press this before you do it, that makes it a little bit easier. It's not quite so bouncy. And what you'll end up with is your seam on the outside, that's not pressed yet, seam on the outside, and then everything enclosed on the inside. So if you had a lacy fabric and you'd cut it and it had lots of little sort of severed cuts into the lace pattern, all of that would be enclosed in there. So if you saw it from the right side, you would just see a straight line. You can also French seam a sleeve. So I've put a lot of pins in there because I've got a very slippy fabric. They're all silk pins, and I'm going to sew the fabric wrong sides together, flip it, trim it and sew it again, and we'll see what sort of effect we get on the sleeve. It's important to keep the seam allowance on the sleeve head, otherwise you will your sleeve fitting will be too tight. That's the French seamed sleeve from the outside. You can see all of the raw edges are enclosed and there's no puckers. I haven't pressed that yet, that'll need to go around a ham. And then on the inside, because it's such a delicate fabric and it's starting to fray now, I'm working with it, all of the sleeve is enclosed in a French seam as well.